Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You sign into your Google account and go straight to Google Meet to create a link now. Don't stall on settings. Click New Meeting because that begins the link generation process. Once done, decide whether to create a meeting for later or start instantly. Pick for later to schedule or instant to join right away. Each option yields a shareable link. Make sure your account has meeting privileges, otherwise request access from your admin and continue. Once you have the raw link, copy it and customize the meeting experience. This matters for control and security. In Meet, toggle host controls like mute on entry, chat, and screen sharing to match your needs. Then paste the link into a Google Calendar event to lock date, time, and guests, which auto-inserts the link and RSVP list. Alternatively, copy the link to clipboard and paste into email, chat, or LMS. Doing this reduces no-shows and preserves meeting order. You finalize by double-checking the calendar details and sending the invite. This ensures everyone has the link and correct time zone. Make sure participants know whether they need to sign in and whether they'll be admitted automatically. If you run into an issue, someone reports the link won't join. First, verify they're signed into the correct Google account, then confirm the meeting wasn't deleted or expired. Also check browser camera and microphone permissions. If problems persist, recreate the meeting and resend the new link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.